Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is complex number. This is a series of video on Python programming for beginners. And for more videos you can visit my channel or click on my playlist link given in the description. Before moving on to the video, I would recommend you to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. Let's get started. Complex number is the fourth topic in data types and type conversion. Let's understand what is a complex number. In math, complex numbers will be in the form of a plus bi, where a is the real part and b is the imaginary part, and I is the square root of -1. For example, 2 plus 3i, 3 plus 5i. In Python, we use j in place of I. So the same number is represented as 2 plus 3j and 3 plus 5j. We can do some arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. using complex number. Let's create a complex number. Type of x is complex. You cannot use I in place of j. It is invalid in Python and will throw an error. Let's do some arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division using complex number. Adding two complex numbers, subtracting two complex numbers, multiplying complex numbers, dividing two complex numbers. Data type conversion. To convert other data type to a complex number, we can use complex function. As we know, a complex number has two parts, real and imaginary. Complex function can take either one argument or two arguments or no argument. If no argument is passed to complex function, then the output will be 0j. Complex function with one argument. Complex function can take one argument and the possible data types can be an integer, float, boolean or a string. When one argument is passed and if it is real number, then it is considered to be real part and imaginary part will take 0 as default value. And if the argument has j, for example 2j, 3.1j, then real part will take 0 as default value. When no argument is passed to complex function, the output will be 0j. Let's create a complex number by passing an integer to the complex function. Type of y is complex. Let's pass a float value to the complex function. Type of y is complex. Now I am passing a boolean value. Passing a string value. Complex function with two arguments. When two arguments are passed, then first argument is real part and second argument is imaginary part. The possible combination of data types to pass are int, float and boolean. We cannot pass string when two arguments are passed. These are some examples where first argument is real part and second argument is imaginary part. Let's see a demo on few examples. I am going to pass two integers here to complex function. Type of z is complex. Passing an integer and float to complex function. I am passing an integer and a boolean value. Passing a float and integer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share the link to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. See you in next video.